Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, company login, required permissions, and the precise template you'll use. Open Safety Culture Iauditor and choose the template prefilled with hazards relevant to this site, then assign inspectors and set due dates. Once done, make sure location and camera are enabled so every inspection captures geotagged photos. You should also verify notification settings so stakeholders receive alerts. This gets you into the first actionable inspection immediately without wasting time on unnecessary setup. You now perform the inspection step by step, moving through checklist sections and using quick select answers to keep momentum. When you find nonconformances, add photos, highlight them with annotations, and create corrective tasks assigned to owners. Explain why and set remediation deadlines. If connectivity drops, switch to offline mode so data remains intact, then sync when you have reception to update the cloud. While inspecting, frequently tap the progress bar to see remaining items and keep your cadence steady. You finish by reviewing each finding, marking completed corrective tasks, and generating the final report for stakeholders. Export or share the report immediately, then archive the inspection only after verification to preserve a clear audit trail. If the report fails to upload or data won't sync, try a targeted troubleshooting sequence. Force close the app, confirm device storage and permissions, toggle network, and then retry sync. If issues persist, reassign the inspection and capture screenshots for support, so resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.